I'm telling you, there is a beautiful young lady seated here, married a man for almost about 8 years. This girl gave her all to this man, including that the man wants to travel anywhere, the girl pays for it. The girl takes care of the man's mother, the man's siblings, because we're a business person. Obi or what them has some na make a TNE. Die minute. Krama no dia we ye ne se. Say no aware wo baby dada. 8 years nina. Ene ura no mpaibo mu ana ye difia ya nya concrete evidence. Ye chi no no nim de oye. Osuma ne ma me say yensesa ura ne ne men na ne mfa ne nsanka ho ne mfa nkoma. Me can will be your what damn hand no pay you. The me catch you say me mani bi ni adwenya GD. Me catch you. GD. One way ya me say kwasiafo betime mo aton kwaje atwene. Na enim so ato atwene. Me na me catch you. Kwasiafo me say wo betu intidua mo aton kwaje atwene. Today me am catch you so ba ha. But yenti a oba ha no. Eye urade asam. Tenasem nim. Papa, don't worry. Bible dey wabre. Bible na bre. Bible. The HDS. Yeah, traveling by Bible na bre. Muhammad, I love him, but daddy, I love the young man, I love the enya love unkwani the worry. Yeah, there is nobody here who can use one ingredient for a perfect delicacy. Media benkwaya benkwine. Yenya nchini kakra meku kakra yenya jeni kakra yenya all kinds of ingredients come together before we can have a good meal. Nukure kakra, tinene kakra, inkransha kakra, empaibo kakra, akonchira kakra, nyansa kakra, nimpia kakra, unumu kakra, unyamimpejaye kakra, enimutia kakra. This is how God helps his people. This is how we win our battles. Not just one thing. It all things works together for the good of them that love God, to them that are the called according to his purpose. I am preaching Jesus Christ and him crucified.